How do adults maintain muscle without carbohydrates? Imagine a scenario where someone chooses to eliminate or drastically reduce carbohydrate intake from their diet. You might wonder how they can preserve their muscle mass and strength without relying on the primary energy source that fuels high-intensity activities. The key lies in understanding how the body adapts to such dietary changes and the mechanisms it employs to maintain muscle tissue. When carbohydrate consumption is low, the body shifts its primary energy source from glucose, derived from carbohydrates, to alternative fuels. One of the main adaptations involves increasing the utilization of fats for energy. Dietary fats and stored body fat are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. Fatty acids are used in the mitochondria of cells to produce adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of the cell. Glycerol, which is released during fat breakdown, can serve as a substrate for gluconeogenesis, the process of creating glucose from non-carbohydrate sources. Gluconeogenesis occurs mainly in the liver and kidneys, where amino acids from muscle tissue are converted into glucose to supply the brain and red blood cells, which depend heavily on glucose for energy. However, this process is carefully regulated to prevent excessive muscle loss. The body adapts by increasing the efficiency of utilizing fats and ketone bodies, which are produced from fatty acids in the liver. Ketone bodies can cross the blood-brain barrier and provide an alternative energy source for the brain, reducing the need to break down muscle tissue for glucose. Protein intake plays a crucial role in this process. Consuming adequate amounts of dietary protein ensures a supply of amino acids that can be used for muscle repair and maintenance. When dietary carbohydrates are absent, maintaining sufficient protein intake helps minimize muscle breakdown. Additionally, resistance training or strength exercises stimulate muscle protein synthesis, counteracting muscle loss even in the absence of carbohydrates. In summary, adults can maintain muscle without carbohydrates by relying on increased fat oxidation, ketone body production, and sufficient dietary protein intake. The body adapts by shifting its energy sources and optimizing metabolic pathways to preserve muscle tissue, provided that nutritional and physical activity strategies are appropriately managed.